Just to show that I have liquid in it. I do have liquid. Not a lot of liquid, like, what's that? Less than half. I have less than half of the, well, yeah, less than half, like a fourth of the capacity. And you can see it's not soapy. It's just water. Okay, and then the cup is, as you can see, it's empty. This is the Max line, and there's nothing in it. I've cleaned it out again. There's no liquid. You can hear no water swishing about. Okay, the thing is clean. I gotta put this down to, hold on a second. Just had to put it down to pop that in. Okay, now I'm gonna run it.
Intelligent mode. Dirty water cup full. Please clean immediately.
Okay, so it's saying that it's full, and as you can see, I had just ran it. I had just started, and it started with that. Okay, see? There's very little liquid in there. It's out of focus. I'm trying to focus in. There's very little water in there. That's not even an ounce of water. It shouldn't be saying that. Because the Max line, look at the Max line. So, okay, popped it in. I'm gonna try to do this without having to stop the camera, so you don't think I'm trying
Intelligent
anything funny.
Dirty water cup full. Please clean immediately.
Okay. And so you can see there really isn't, it's out of focus again. Okay, there, now you can see it clearly. There's hardly any water in there, very little water in there, like an ounce, maybe an ounce and a half of water, maybe 2 ounces, I don't know. But it's not nowhere near the max capacity, nowhere near it. Okay, you can see that the Max line is right here. The word Max is here. So this is where it could go up to. But look at this is where it could go up to. Here. Right here. And look at where it's at. Okay, okay, to show you where it could go up to. Right here, Max. Okay, I don't know what's wrong. I've cleaned it so many times. I've tried all different things. I everything that they said to do, and it didn't work. I've cleaned the roller brush. I use the thing when it's dry, the filter. So I don't know. I'm gonna try again. There is a teeny beanie of water because I was trying again. I emptied out and I tried it again. It kept telling me to stop. So I figure I'm gonna try another time on camera. So you can see there's very little water. Okay. Wait. Okay. Put it in. Now I'm gonna try again.
Intelligent mode. Dirty water cup full. Please clean immediately.
Okay. And just to show you, because I know it's not full.
Please park on the charging base before start the self-clean mode.
I accidentally touched the self-clean button, that's all. And you can see there's like there's no water. There's very little water. Ugh, it's out of focus. Sorry. So you can see no water. Very little water. I just want to make sure you catch that there's very little water. Okay. Oops. Oh. I'm just having a hard time doing it with one hand and holding the camera. Oh, and I also will show that the close the door, I'm trying to record something. Okay. So okay. There's like, you know, regular little dirt that really shouldn't be impacting it. So I don't know what's going on. Okay. All right, try it again.
Intelligent mode. Dirty water cup full. Please clean immediately. Power off. Please clean the dirty water cup. Intelligent mode.
So it only took like a second to say it again. Maybe 2 seconds. Now it's gonna go.
Dirty water cup
Okay.
full. Please clean immediately.
Okay. And again. Okay. You can see a little bit more water, but still hardly anything compared to what it can contain. It's nowhere near the max line. You see where the liquid goes up to, and that's with me shaking it, so that raises it up more. Sorry, my kids were needing something. So please help me. I really did love this thing, so I would like to see a way to fix it. Thank you.